Okay, this video is going to help you get started with the Solidworks CSWA exam testing. So you need to follow this link right here, or follow this URL to the certification program. You want to download the Testing Pro client. So that's a little exe that you're going to need to launch. So download that first. I generally tell my students to open up Solidworks, go to File, go to New, start a new part, and set your units to millimeters. Now, it's possible that you will get a part that's not millimeters, although I've never seen it. All of the CSWA testing parts that I've seen are in millimeters. Don't forget to specify the material, whatever material they might be giving you. I don't know, a lot of times they'll do 1020 steel, sometimes they'll do aluminum, so just make sure that you set your material once they give you the part. Okay, so having SolidWorks set up is just going to save you a couple of minutes of the testing time. Let's get back to the testing client part. So in my downloads I should have that testing client. There it is. So I'm just going to launch that right now and agree to this. Go ahead and install it. Hit finish. And if this is your first time taking any certification exam, you need to select your language. You're going to need to set up an account. If you've taken a test through SolidWorks before, then you may already have an account. So if you don't have an account, which most students don't, you need to fill in all of these red highlighted areas. Put your first last name. In this case it would be Three Rivers. I would put your Three Rivers email. You need to put a password in. You can use a school address, you can use your home address, it really doesn't matter, you can make up an address. But you do need to fill in these categories. You need to hit accept. Alright. I'm just going to see if I can make something up here. Hopefully this won't just want to see if I can take folks to the next level. Hey, John. Alright, will it let me do this? Alright, I'm going to put a longer password in. Alright, let me try a different one because I've already registered with that one. Okay, you're going to be selecting the SolidWorks. You're going to hit Associate, which is the CSWA, and you're going to put in, right here is where you're going to put in the voucher ID. Hit Submit, and then once you put that in and hit Submit, you're going to hit Start the Test. Alright, and that will get you going.